to hear episode 2 of my wrestling career. I got captured the 2 division heavyweight title for my brother. And I held it there for 3 months, dropping it, leaving it behind, moving on to the main roster. And I won the UK first title in the third reign. I became friends with some of the UK all the time. We were a tag team. We won the tag team title and they had to hide it. William Ashley had the idea about why don't we the GM or idea about having a group, like a 3 member group, but all they wanted was me helping them keep their title. I lost my UK title because of them and my tag team title. So they kept their title and I was just like their little muppet. I used to just keep what they wanted in a way. But the funny thing is, karma is a bit. The more time you tell me to how you keep it, the more time I'm going to stab you in the back. And I got that opportunity. My 2 friends for the 2 division, Brian McGuinness and Gus Norman, they made their debut at a pay-per-view against William Ashley for their title, single match. And funny thing about last night, they weren't thinking about the new champion. They weren't thinking about Ashley. They were thinking, why did I cost them their title? Because what they didn't realise, more time they were using me, the more I was going to get my revenge. And I had my revenge. You have triple threat match. 2-on-1 that I say, because really actually was so fired up for me. They wanted to keep me a lesson. Actually, that got it for my first girlfriend. She was also on the main roster, but she was she was the producer's daughter at the time. Funny thing about it though, after I caught it, I went out of that path, and people wanted to know why, Marty, why did you cut them the title? Because I needed to. Brian got my other friend who I would the title, they were all like shocked. They were all like trying to get answer. They even said a little video of me and my own, want to know where I was and what I was doing. And I broke out the following 2 months after. And at that, I said to myself, I'm not doing it for them. I'm not doing it for them. I'm not doing it for no one. I'm doing it for myself. And I'll call myself a new name. The Lone Wolf. So a day after Lone Wolf, till it got to the time where it was a competition time for every time. I won 3 every titles. Don't worry about that. No rematch. That was done. 3-time heavyweight champion. And obviously Willie Maher had the single rematch call. I mean, my music is. They were like, where is he? Where is he? Did you see where I was coming? I was in the stand. I was on the stage. I was at an out table. I was playing game with her. But yeah, that episode 2 on my journey. But keep all day because episode 3 is just getting started.